Y'all, look at these gumdrops.
Oh my gosh, this looks just like a gingerbread man. I'm too excited about this. So the girl is gonna have a little bow. I have these blue ornaments that I just cut in half, and I'm gonna use these for the boys' buttons down. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making some gingerbread men. Not just any gingerbread men, they're gonna go outside. I'm going for a gingerbread theme. So they're gonna be like 4 feet tall. So we're gonna be using some styrofoam insulation, and I got some paint, and we are just gonna have fun with this. I'm really excited to do it and then put my own little twist on it. So excited to make this video. Let's get started. Got the supplies. I ended up doing a 8 foot by 4 foot, 1 inch thick insulation board for our gingerbread base. And then I also picked up this paint. It's called Cinnamon Crunch. I did an exterior in satin. So it's gonna be this really, I don't know if it'll show up, a gingerbready color. So this is the little sketch that I did. And I'm just gonna try to copy this onto the board. See how good I can get it. I am gonna trace it out with a permanent marker, but it should be pretty forgiving. So I'm just gonna use my jigsaw to cut it out. Here we go. Okay, we have one gingerbread man. Look how tall he is. Oh my gosh, okay. Let's trace and cut out the second one, and then I will get to painting. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Number 2. I cannot get over how adorable these guys are. I cannot wait until they're painted. Oh my gosh, this looks just like a gingerbread man. I'm too excited about this. While we're waiting on the gingerbreads to dry, I've decided that I'm gonna make like a girl gingerbread and a boy gingerbread. So the girl is gonna have a little bow, which I found these little ornaments that I just didn't put on the tree. So I got 2 big ones and a little one, and I'm gonna make a hair bow out of it. Just hot glue them together. Okay, we will let that dry and see how that goes. Okay, the gingerbread are dry. Second coat is on and dry. Let's go ahead and start decorating. I have some leftover twine from my macrame days, and I think that it would be perfect to use as the icing on the gingerbread. I think I'm gonna start here, kind of wrap it around the back, and then do like a squiggly moment. Something like that. So now I'm just gonna do that to all the rest of the legs and arms. And then I might do like a little collar around the neck. Okay, so I ended up doing the mouth out of the yarn as well. Y'all, I'm so tickled. This is so cute. I have these blue ornaments that I just cut in half, and I'm gonna use these for the boys' buttons down. I think this tape is like the perfect diameter for, or circumference for my eye. So I'm gonna use this as my stencil. Just kind of make sure that the placement's okay. Looks good to me. And this is just a white paint that I had lying around that I'm gonna use. Nothing fancy. Okay, I don't like that paintbrush. I wanted to do something to make the girl different, so I'm doing this little loop-de-loop icing moment. We're gonna put her bow on.
Y'all, look at these gumdrops.
If I'm not mistaken, these go for like $130 on Amazon. I got them for like $40 on Facebook Marketplace. These are just the coolest things ever. I'm so excited. Okay guys, we're gonna finish up these gingerbread. I have a 3/4 inch PVC pipe and I went ahead and cut it down. It's just for support really. So it's from his leg all the way up to kind of like the first quarter of his head. So that's just gonna be for stability. And we're gonna use rebar in the ground to stick through the PVC. So 3/4 inch rebar with the 3/4 inch PVC. And we're just gonna hot glue it on. I might have to run to Home Depot to get some better adhesive, but we'll see how far the hot glue takes us. Let's do Mr. Ginger. Okay, so these are the stakes that I got. They're just like rebar, 3/4 inch rebar. So I'm gonna hammer these into the ground and then we're gonna put the gingerbread up.
Thank you guys so much for watching this fun DIY. I had a blast making these giant gingerbread. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, because in the next video we're going to be DIYing some giant lollipops and putting those in the yard as well, and making my dream gingerbread home for Christmas. Thanks guys for watching. Until next time, bye.